Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made my first Cisco Catalyst Center API call using Python. Okay, so I got this code here, and what this code does is it's basically going to use the username and password to get a token, and from this token API, and then it will return it into a variable called token, and then it will make another call, a get call, to retrieve the list of devices, and it will return that list into a variable called devices. And then pandas will convert that list into a data frame, and then pandas will export that data frame into a file, Excel file called this. So that's what this code will do. Okay, so let me actually go into IPython and just copy and paste each section of this code. So this is how I import the libraries that I need. So requests is for HTTP requests, and we use pandas to basically export the file or the data into an Excel file, and then URL lib3 is to basically disable the warnings from the sandbox that's using self-signed certificate. Okay, and let me copy and paste this line of code. So this is how we disable the SSL warnings. And here is the base URL, username and password. And here is the two functions, get token, which is to get the token, and get devices is to get the devices. So let me copy and paste. There's two functions. And then this is where we start calling the function, right? So the get token to get the token itself, and then to get the devices list. And then we, like I said earlier, to convert that list into a data frame called df, and then we choose the columns that we want. So these are the columns that we want, and then we export the data frame into Excel, and this is the file name, and we don't include the index. So yeah, this is actually the entry point of the script. So if we run this script directly, this is what Python will do. So it will run the main function. Okay, so let me copy and paste this section here, and it will create a file. Okay, so now we see the file, Excel file, and this is the columns, right? So yeah, so that's how I made my first Cisco Catalyst Center API call using Python. Okay, hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.